here's my headache rack on my 57 Kenworth. Well, I mean, I got the truck. This went with it. So it did have it on it at one time. So that blue is pretty similar to this blue. What you think? And just out of curiosity, and my daughter likes this color. I just ran up to Walmart. I mean, this is spray paint. I was just going to get a temporary pre-paint job. You know, just till I get the thing running. And I can get it up to my shop here. Get my pickup out of the way. Get it up to the shop. I'll get the cab off. And then, you know, do it right. Plus, I'll probably have a new grill. But for rattle-can, this looks pretty close. Like, that was the color it had at one time. Huh. Yeah. Let me take you over to the truck. Yeah, here's the truck. And like I said, this is just rattle-can. And I don't have the radiator shroud on. And the butterfly hood is just laying on there. But I did take just plain old black paint and paint that, and I've gone through, oh boy, let me see, 6 of those giant PB blaster cans. Those. PB Blaster, why don't you sponsor me? But this is what it looked like when I brought it home. It's pretty ugly. At least my wife says so. I thought it was kind of cool. I kind of had the idea of maybe rough sanding it up, throw some clear on there, but yeah, she wasn't going to go for that. It's my truck. By golly. I did take the floor out. I need a passenger door handle. And I'm real mad. Somebody stole my wigwag out of there. Dirty bastards. But it's got tack and time. Interior pretty good. The cab's pretty good. I got these are both broke. These those were core supports. They're broke, but yeah, the floor's out of it. And there's the boxes. And I got lots of rust there where the batteries should be. And check this out. My box says white. Can you see that? Sure you can. And then we got a fire extinguisher holder. That's a fire make it not happener. Interesting old air equipment. These are nice tires, man. I'm gonna run these things. These are slicks. Wheels gotta go. Some alloy wheels. What do I need to do to get aluminum wheels onto these? You know, like a hub piloted wheel. What do I have to change? I know I gotta probably change something. And then we got some funkology going on the back here. This, oh shit, I don't know, I'm gonna prune all that off. Here's another, oh, I like this tire, man. That's a great, oh, this is what I want to show you. How about you? How about you? Let me get the sun out of here. Look at that split rim on the inside there. Yeah, that's great. I'm gonna run that. That's fine. That tire, that's fine. Got some pad suspension because that's a rough ride mofo. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's a, oh, my kidneys hurt. I'm just looking at it. Some kind of air doodlah. I don't know what that is. Check it, guys. We got some, this is probably like antique wood from 1957. Yeah, I'm having that carbon dated. Nice. Whatever that thing is. I like it. And of course, your side door. It don't open or don't close. If I got it closed, it probably wouldn't open. That's fine. I'll get the porta power out. We got an exhaust bracket up there. That's fine. These are tricked out mirror brackets. You go to see, when you go to the drive-in, that hangs your bag of popcorn there. Got a hole in the bag, but this door opens now. I just nailed it with the PB Blaster. I made it one with the penetrating oil. PB Blaster is great, guys. It's cheap. I've tried them all, and they're all about the same. It's spray oil. I don't know. What do I know? Not much. Stay. Stay. Don't move. Good boy. I'm kind of proud of this fuel cap because this thing was like anchored. It was really on there bad. That took me about 2 hours soaking it with oil and like just to get it off. Once I had it off, I heated it pretty well with propane torch, and because I'm not worried about any seals burning out, I heated it pretty well with the propane torch, and then I shot PB Blaster on it, and then I just stuck it back on there and worked it. Look at that. You're looking down in my shame. Shame. Shame, shame, shame. Come on, let's get it on. Get it on. Yeah, you gotta do a little tappage. And then we got a quality hood spring there. We got some air induction minus. And then we got these heinous front wheels. Guys, somebody's got some aluminum wheels for cheap, good price. They can help me out. Turn me on to it. I like these old lights, man. Kind of thinking about keeping the old ones and putting an LED. I'll just get some re-ops. Yeah, that's the anti-headlight. I was all busted out, so I took the air blower and blew it in there. I was happy to see that both of these little glass doodla-doodlas here are still in there, because I can save them. These headlights I can weld up, rebuild, fiberglass the insides, you know, help it out as much as I can. What do we got? We got missing marker lens on that outside one. Two up there. This lens, that one's missing the bulb, but that one's missing the lens. That PP cover's off. Look up at the horns. See that ring thing? That's supposed to support one single long horn, but they've replaced it with a pair of them. Yeah, I got one of those I can put on, so no worries. Did I show you the back of the cab? It is what it is. You know, it kind of looks like somebody had that that roll down window in there and then changed it out, and then they put a filler piece in, but yeah, you like that. Model 923, maximum speed 50. Yeah. Chassis, something about chassis is 15330. Gross weight 45,000. And show you my quality floor. There you go. That's the floor. Fancy floor. Of course, it's like that. That would be pointing down, and then that's the seat right there. That's where your and we got a shade. Not that that would help much. Oh, we got a stack over there. Good. I got the old oil bath air sucker down on the grillage. I think this thing will only be good for grilling burgers. Yeah, that's not going to be shining up the road for ox in this truck. Well, there you have it, guys. How about you? Okay, guys. Later.